Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a family dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles, all meticulously handpicked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market, which today brings us to this stunning Audi RSQ3 Sportback Sport Edition, finished off in Daytona Grey Pearl. This RSQ3 Sport Edition comes with a highly desirable specification, including MMI Navigation Plus with 10.1-inch touchscreen, cruise control, RS1 and 2 drive presets, electric heated front seats with 4-way electric lumbar support, comfort and sound package, RS advanced key, Audi Smartphone Interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and tyre pressure monitoring system. In addition, this comes with RS Sports exhaust, glass sliding panoramic sunroof, sports suspension, LED headlights and parking system plus with reversing camera. Full details and photos are over on our website. Cosmetically, this entirely benefits from RS Sport seats in Black Alcantara leather with black stitching and honeycomb quilted design. Externally, this benefits from Daytona Grey Pearl paint finish, brake calipers painted in red with RS logo, black styling package, and 21-inch 5 V-spoke alloys in black. This RSQ3 has been tastefully modified with a Stage 1 ECU Gearbox Remap, Eventuri carbon fibre intake system, Eventuri carbon fibre turbo inlet pipe, and Wagner competition intercooler kit. This RSQ3 comes with full Audi service history, having only covered 16,200 miles, 2 owners from new, and in very good condition internally and externally. This is a stunning individual example with a high factory specification. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Contact details are below. Make sure to follow us over on our Instagram page at DNA_AutoHouse for latest stock updates and services.